Hi, it's Daryl, and we're working on the 2005 Ford Mustang with the 4.0 V6 in it. Been having some engine fuel management issues. We decided one of the things we're going to change is the ECT, engine coolant temperature sensor, and it's not a very expensive part. Here's what it looks like. It's got an O-ring on it and a little ridge there where your clip goes in from the side to hold it in place. And that's all there really is to it. It monitors the temperature of your coolant so it can adjust the engine fuel mix. It's held in by this little spring clip right here. And you got to be really, really careful when you pull that out so it doesn't go flying and drop down into your engine valley here. As the new part does not come with one of those for the most part, and you're going to be crying if you drop that somewhere and have to go try and find one. So I recommend a pair of needle nose vice grips. So you're going to pull that out, and then the whole sensor just lifts straight up into the air, and then you put the new one in, push down on it, and slide that in. But it's not always that easy. If you just set it in there and push a little bit on it, the clip is not going to line up with the groove on the side of the sensor. So what you got to do is you got to get in there with your hand and work that around a little bit and push it down until this edge of this hexagon brass here is right down and sitting on that plastic base plate. It's got to go all the way down so that brass touches this plastic base. Once you get it down there, you can actually let go of it. It'll stay in place, and then you can reach around from this side with a pair of needle nose pliers, preferably bent ones, but any kinds will probably work. And you've put it on here from like the 5 o'clock position up toward the 11 o'clock position, and it should spring right into place and be where you need it.
All right, and we will leave a link in the description below with the Amazon part.
Yes, we will.
So you can get it. Thanks for watching.